Hi, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to find and win high-paying freelance graphic design jobs online. As a freelance designer, finding clients and getting work can be a challenge, but with the right strategies and tools, you can land high-paying gigs and build a successful freelance business. So, let's get started. Section 1: Understanding freelance design jobs. Before we dive into the strategies for finding and winning freelance design jobs, let's first understand what these jobs are and why they're in demand. Freelance design jobs are essentially projects that require the expertise of a graphic designer, but are not part of a full-time, in-house position. These jobs can range from creating logos and branding materials, to designing websites and user interfaces, to developing marketing and advertising campaigns. The demand for freelance design jobs has grown significantly in recent years, as more businesses are looking to outsource their design needs to save money and gain access to specialized talent. This means that there are plenty of opportunities for freelance designers to find work, but it also means that the competition can be fierce. Section 2: Researching and identifying high-paying freelance design jobs. The first step to finding high-paying freelance design jobs is to do your research and identify potential clients and job opportunities. One of the best ways to do this is to use keyword research tools to find out what businesses and individuals are searching for when they need design services. For example, using our target keyword freelance design jobs, we can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush to see what related keywords and phrases people are searching for. We can also use social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to find potential clients and follow design-related hashtags and trends. Once you've identified potential clients and job opportunities, you'll want to make sure that the jobs are high-paying and worth your time and effort. You can do this by researching the average rates for freelance design work in your area, and by asking for detailed project requirements and budgets from clients before accepting any jobs. Section 3: Creating a winning portfolio and pitch. Once you've identified potential clients and job opportunities, the next step is to create a winning portfolio and pitch that showcases your skills and expertise. Your portfolio should include examples of your best design work, as well as testimonials and case studies from previous clients. When crafting your pitch, it's important to tailor your message to the specific client and job opportunity. This means doing your research on the client's business and brand, and showing them how your skills and experience can help them achieve their goals. Section 4: Leveraging freelance job platforms. In addition to researching and pitching potential clients directly, there are also a number of freelance job platforms that can help you find high-paying freelance design jobs online. Some popular platforms include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. When using these platforms, it's important to create a strong profile that showcases your skills and experience, and to bid on jobs that are a good fit for your expertise and rate. You also want to make sure that you're providing excellent customer service and delivering high-quality work in order to build your reputation and get more job opportunities in the future. Section 5: Growing your freelance business. Finally, once you've landed some high-paying freelance design jobs, it's important to focus on growing your business and building long-term relationships with clients. This means delivering excellent work, meeting deadlines, and communicating effectively with clients throughout the project. You can also consider offering additional services or selling clients on larger projects to increase your revenue and build ongoing relationships. Additionally, networking and building relationships with other designers and professionals in the industry can lead to new job opportunities and collaborations. Finding and winning high-paying freelance graphic design jobs online requires a combination of research, strategy, and hard work. By using tools like keyword research, crafting winning portfolios and pitches, leveraging freelance job platforms, and growing your business, you can build a successful freelance design career and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always be professional. Deliver high-quality work and build relationships with clients and other professionals in the industry. With persistence and dedication, you can land high-paying freelance design jobs and build a thriving freelance business. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online and growing your business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.